Welcome to another episode of Mystery Foods. Today I have a special guest. Welcome Elena, and today we're going to try some mystery drinks, specifically mystery milks. So we have 7 mystery milks to try and we have no idea what they are. So let's do it. First one.
I already know what it is.
Okay, let's drink it. I'm pretty sure I know what it is too. It's pretty smooth. It's quite nice. But a little bit watery at the same time. Now we're doubting.
Yeah, no, I know it.
So I think that's quite nice. I rate it 9 out of 10 because it is milky but not too milky.
It's one of these things you can find usually around the place.
In this house.
Yeah, with you two around. It's an interesting kind of milk. I probably rate it 8 out of 10 because I don't usually like this milk.
I think it is coconut milk.
Same, I think it's coconut milk.
Okay, let's reveal. It is indeed coconut milk, unsweetened variety. Okay, round 2. Quite sweet. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Yummy. Not quite as creamy a texture as the last one.
I can't decide. I think my first thought was rice milk, but after tasting it, I thought it might soy. I don't know. I like it better than the previous one. I probably still rate about 8 out of 10.
I rate this a little bit higher, 9.25. Not heaps higher, but a little bit higher. It tastes a little bit sweeter. I don't know if it actually has more sugar in it or not, but yeah. I think it is rice milk though, an unsweetened rice milk. It is in fact organic rice milk. Round 3. What the?
It's like thicker.
It tastes like coconut milk but different.
There's only ever aftertaste to it. It just tastes like water otherwise.
Yeah, it's like water with a bit of a creamy aftertaste.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really confused by that.
Is there such thing as peanut milk?
It tastes good, but it's a little bit bland to start with. It has an aftertaste. It has a smell that is particular. I rate it 7.75 out of 10, not quite 8. I think it is almond milk, an unsweetened almond milk.
It does have that nutty taste. You smell it and it has a smell, and the aftertaste is that smell, but when you like put it in your mouth, it tastes like water. It tastes like nothing really. So I'd probably rate it 6.5 maybe. My brain still goes towards like the coconut thing. Like it could be a coconut almond milk, I don't know.
Well, let's find out. It is in fact unsweetened almond and coconut milk. Well done. Round 4. What the?
It's quite sweet.
I think I know what it is. Much more creamy than the last one. It has like a nutty sort of undertone, but I don't think it's like a nut milk per se. It is nice though. It's nicer than the last one. I think this would be better in a warm drink than some of the other ones, just because it is a bit more creamy and a bit more full of flavoured.
Probably the best tasting one I've had so far, maybe, I guess. 8.75. Not a 9. It's not worthy of a 9. It is sweet, like I said earlier. It is the milkiest milk. It does taste like the rice milk that we had before, but sweeter.
I rate it also 8.75. It is good, but not quite a 9. I think it is soy milk. Oat milk. Oh, that's weird. Okay, next one. Let's go.
This is thick.
Yeah. Whoa. Really thick and sweet.
I have no idea.
I agree. It's weird. It's like it's watery but really creamy at the same time. I rate that a 9 out of 10 because it is a creamy consistency, and I can see that being used in hot drinks a lot. That'd be great, actually. I think it's rice milk.
To me, it's like actual milk, like lactose-free milk, something like that. I'd probably rate it 7.5. 2.5 maybe, and yeah, it's too thick.
It is organic coconut and rice milk. Next round, let's go. I don't like that. So initially it's very watery.
It's not that sweet.
Not that sweet. No, not that sweet at all. So I rate that 7.5. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. It's a little bit watery tasting. It wasn't creamy enough to be soy milk, so I'm gonna go with like a straight almond.
I'd probably rate it like a 5 and 10. It's not the greatest thing in the universe. It might not be a soy, but it could also be like just a straight almond milk. It's also not as white as the rest of them have been.
It is organic soy milk. Final round, here we go. It smells very sweet. Doesn't taste very sweet.
It's watery, very watery. I'd probably rate it about 5 or less. I think it might actually be another rice milk of some sort, because it just reminds me of like just the wateryness of rice milk.
I rate it 6.5 out of 10. I mean, it's not that bad, but it is a bit watery, and it's it tastes not quite like it smells, which is interesting, more so than the rest of them. I think it is a variation of rice milk as well. It is unsweetened almond milk. Thanks for watching the milk mystery food video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let us know if you like these videos or have any suggestions for any future videos. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Janine, for filming, and thank you for watching.